Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can fill a text with a picture. So first start by deleting everything and then inserting a text box. Here you can put your title or text. Then I'm going to bold it and then choose a font that I like, such as this one, and then make it as big as I can. Then I'm going to center it to the middle, like this. Now if you don't have a picture, you can just go to insert, pictures and stock images and choose a picture that you like. I'm going to choose this one. Here make the picture bigger so that it covers the text. After that, select both of them, go to shape format, merge shapes and then intersect, like this. Now I want to thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys liked it, please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.